Okay, this is about day 2 or 3 of working on the new moss project, and I'm really am excited about this one because it's a little bit different. This one's going to have Mother Nature embedded in this big monstrous 6 foot by 6 foot wall piece. And anyway, but there's challenges with it. It's a lot of work, but I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of the process that I'm working on. So I installed the lights, which is really cool, and the lady has been placed. Check it out. So here's the next stage. This is not all set yet for the Mother Nature. She's deciding, what position is best for her, so she can listen to all her flowers and trees and